Install DW Mobile Plus from the Google Play or iOS App Store. Launch the app and tap the plus button to create a new site. Enter a name for your site and start entering all necessary network information. The host field accepts IP addresses, DDNS addresses, and the Pathfinder IDs. To create a new site using an IP address or DDNS address, follow these instructions. First, locate the necessary information. You can find the IP address and port number in the network settings of your recorder. If you have a DDNS address set up, it can be found on the DDNS tab in the network settings of your recorder. Once you've found everything, input your IP address or DDNS address into the host field. Next, enter the port number. If you have a custom port number for your device, you will need to enter it manually. If you do not have a custom port, you can select your recorder type to automatically fill it in. To create a new site using a Pathfinder ID, enable Pathfinder on your recorder by going to the Pathfinder tab in your network settings and clicking Use Pathfinder. Once you've done that, tap this button next to the host field to scan your QR code. Once you've done the other steps using your preferred method, input the login information for your recorder and click Save. Your recorder will be added, and you can access it at any time from your mobile device.